Odofo mame ma akwaba emra Adom TV Nkuranhyensem dwumadie eso. Me ameti dwamu amede ho chia me edi amye so aya ni takutegu. Me na ase se obesa wo mra kakra bi ene me dwumadie we. Onyame enhyira. Ene etifi ma me kura ne se having the plan to make your life flourish. So ababa betumpon. You see, as you plan to make your life better, as you plan to make your marriage and business and health better, there are going to be moments when trouble enter into your life, and sometimes you can do nothing about them. Ni anshabi abashe biano, kwen biaso no sinto bibeba, kwen biano akwenside beba ni apeso abrabo ye biano enko totin sada. Shebia wa shebiano, there will be moments of difficulty. There will be moments of crisis. Enko ye. But these moments are there for a reason. The two be assembly mono is there for a reason. The awufamu be assembly no. Ewo edema bibinti. Therefore, stop worrying and complaining. Stop blaming and stop just beating yourself up. They are all time-consuming tricks. So, tete aba yena. Ena won han na obosobo na de ena we na ankoye na de bia wo de opa bibi a complain a esawo mre na eka wo hye. Admit to the fact that life is always filled with ups and downs. Lives come with its tough moments. Life is sometimes stormy. Admit it. Sa brabo amebu to de bia ase gina kwano. To de bia ase mirikatuo. Bia enkoye sana abrabo etie abrabo fa bia na sana etie nyabri bia ene etotin enu nti no learn to admit the downs of life just as you celebrate the ups of life. Yitu say abrabo nto bia enkoye and expect mistakes, expect failure and expect disappointments, but never make a career of these things. Enfanye wadwuma se anko ye timi de manya adwuma foforo me complain me worry me di awraho me su anko ye dabi enu nya adwuma se wo ye. You have to decide to manage these moments. So fatimu pose de anko ye no ese me timi gina ho na me ye bibi. So the next thing you have to ask yourself, what is the role I played in what I'm getting, and what role will I play to change things? And then I may what role did I play to get what I'm getting? And what role would I play to change what I want to get? And then I may I may fadi I may femu. And then I may de can obi se obi na ye me mate. Obi kwa de oboso bo se wo mampani bi and obi o ya manyo sem bi na aye. O se madwuma na enye ntia. O se madwuma ye mpemasem maketu yesa mikru ni suban me yiri na ni suban me ma na emu mintia obia tene nsa kire obi na ya na wotre won nsa kire nkofo ye no bi sa mesusu no e de na me yo ya ma anye amedum pempenso we so bibi e betu bia no oka ho bi o ma akwan e ma ne ba sa se bi adwuma wo ye obi na do be ka hwemu by force obema ne oba na tene obi na rekoma no na apene so until you played a role in the results you are getting. Therefore, you can change your role to change the results. No one can save you but yourself. No one can save your marriage but yourself. No one can improve your work but yourself. No one can improve your profit in your business but yourself. Indeed, no one can make your life better but yourself. Sometimes we try to hand over the changes of our life to others. When I am into one sakra, I mean sakra. Me could nempe me one sacrament in obwa. Wa brabo ni je enyina obi so. Wa brabo ni je ejina wan kasa wo so. Wa brabo empuntuo ene wan kasa. Another person can make you feel better, but the best person who can make you feel better is you. Your life is not for someone to manage. Your life is for you to manage. Your marriage, your health, your business, your work. It's for you to manage. Fansa wo adwumam. Wo manager. Somebody jana akatua so sen wo akatua. De na esi kwan se sika kakra na wogie no. Betimi de akosua de no atumpon e wo tibia wo mu. Na de bia won prapra adwuma mu ho. You can always improve upon your skills and knowledge to change your position to become better. You can always improve it. Ebia na yaju adwuma mu ho se labor. Ebia yaju ho se officer number 1. Bibia nsi kwan se officer number 2 akoya manager. You can always improve your knowledge to upgrade your knowledge and skills to upgrade your position. Many baby out here in say, me bedroom say na me debi. We all can make our life better based on the amount of knowledge and skills we acquire. Ebi akwa ware mu mama nyansa ne papa nyansa ode ware na ekura wo de koye. Bibi ensu kwan so besua suban foforo apa kade ne nyansa e be kire kwa fa so do oba ne bema. Acho kwa fa so ye de ahobrase e wade kasapa ene ne yepa na ware ye bibi ensu kwan. You need to learn to upgrade your knowledge. It is time you take personal interest and responsibility for your life. Yes, so my brother hu hia o. Yes, so my brother nsunsanso ehia o papa. Baba wo bue no kwan bia so bibia nsu kwan. Na wonipa obesu kwan eye wa wadwene awodwene. O we ochina meye. O we metwa ma obi aboa me. O we de enyamia. Saa adwene na awodwene na enkenya awo. Emne duesa osesa wadwene mu. Na dwene adwene be kenya awo na you are free input bia wotem no. The only way to do is to start dealing with the things that keep you as barriers. Start dealing with your limitations. It is within your power to change how you think of your life. When you change your thinking, you change your life. It's possible to change your feelings. It's possible to change your beliefs. It is possible to rewrite the story of your life. Obetimi asesa wadwene mu. Obetimi asesa watenka mu. Obetimi apagidie foforo na watwere nsem foforo afọ abrabo ho. You can always rewrite the story of your life. You can ask yourself, what is it that really matters in my life? Ede na esombo ma me o mabrabo mu. Ede na esombo ese me yo. De na esombo ese me jamu. Kwan be na betimi afa so ede esombo na mama brabo asombo ama me ankasa ni enipa ebe me. Indeed, your life can become important. You can add value to your life and make your life add value to others. If you examine what you are doing critically, if you examine how you are thinking. Kwan a wo fa so eye wo nioma no, ese wo samu na uyimu na hunu da wo yo no se safata. Se edimu ya den fa so de bebre wo a. Abusua meja ha me mpa abo ne se enedai obetam abrabo ha wo nsa na wankasa wabu bra edi ni die ni nkoso bebre wo nyame enhyira o me da se wo pa mere hwe me ma me nkoda sound of ase me ka Albert ena Francis na mada camera Albert nso ase ene Isaac sound na mada Priscilla Sandra ena Webe Campadu me producers ase wo so a wo hwe me na ase nkan no nyame entina.